So here's how we can save a tab to your favorites on the iPad. Let me show you how it works. And if you are new on this channel, most definitely subscribe so you never miss anything important like this. So you can get inside your Safari, open up the All Tabs view, and the one you want to add to your favorites, just click on it to open it up like that. Then next to the URL bar, which is likely at the top, you can see like the name of the website. Next to it on the left, we have a little button which is like a rectangle with two lines. You can click on it, and this lets you do some different things with it, like adjust the text size or whatever. But when you click on the three dots next to it, then you can see that we have the tab actions, right? So you can add the tab to your bookmarks, to your favorites, to the reading list, or pin the tab, right? So you have to decide which option you're going to go with. If you want the tab to never go away, so it will always be part of your open tabs, that you can pin at the tab, and it would make sense, right? Because you can just make sure that you close all of the things, but this is just not available to be closed, if that makes sense, right? But you can also add it to your favorites, and then every time you open up the new tab, you'll be able to access your favorites, and you'll be able to get to your website with a click of a button, if that's the thing that you're going after. So as you can tell, so many ways how you can do this, and that's only accounting for the Safari, right? And there are also like more third-party web browsers which you might be interested in. Like Google Chrome has also like its own way of filtering tabs and websites, right? So if you need more, you can also just utilize those other web browsers. But I would be really thrilled and I would love to know if you managed to make it work on your iPad. Hit the thumbs up to let me know. And if you need or if you want to share something more, then use the comment section below. Thanks a lot for watching. Subscribe so you don't miss tutorials like this one, and I'll talk to you later.